Hi guys, I'm just making a quick video to show you how to install Jenkins on an Amazon EC2 instance. Here's the steps that we'll be following today. So the first one is to update the package information, install Java, and then Jenkins. So let's get started. Navigate to your Amazon dashboard, and from there click on EC2, then click on launch instance. So here select an Amazon Linux 2 AMI. You could also use an Ubuntu image if you want to, and then click on select, and then the free tier, and add storage, add tags. Just let everything be the default settings. And if you want SSH access, make sure you have a key pair that you have access to on your computer. I'm just going to use the web access, so it doesn't really matter to me. Just going to click launch instance here. It's just going to take a few seconds to spin up the EC2 instance, and once it spins up, we can get started anytime now. There we go. So you can right click on the instance and click on connect, and then click on EC2 instance connect, browser based SSH connection, and then click on connect here. So the first command that you want to run, and I'll have these commands down in the description, is sudo yum update -y. Okay, so the next step would be to install Java. I'm going to leave this down in the description, and if you're using Ubuntu, make sure you use apt instead of yum because of the package manager thing. So the place that I got this command from was, I just googled install Java 8 on RHEL, which stands for Red Hat Enterprise Linux, since Amazon Linux 2 is based on RHEL, and I just copy pasted this sudo yum install Java command. So I have that there, so I'm just going to type this out. Sudo yum install Java -1.8.0 -openjdk -devel -y. Okay, well that is installing. Let's go to jenkins.io/download, and once you're here, you can click on whichever OS you're running. So if you're running Ubuntu Depi and you want to click here, since we're running Amazon Linux 2, we're going to click on the Red Hat. So we'll have to copy paste these in order one by one, and basically let's just do the installation for us. Copy pasted the first one, then copy and pasted the second one. No, wait, I think that was the first one again. Copy, that's the second one, and you want to run yum install Jenkins after. Oh, so you want to run it as sudo and yum install Jenkins. Yes. So over here you just want to make sure you hit Y and enter. once that's complete, I'm just going to clear the screen here, and here I can see if I have Java installed by typing Java then space - version. So if you have this showing up, then that means you have Java successfully installed. And let's see the status of let's start this Jenkins server first. So sudo service Jenkins start. Okay, and once it's started, you can see the status by typing sudo service Jenkins status. So yeah, there you go. If you have this active status here, then you're all done installing Jenkins. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good one.